Hi, I'm Marcus from Thames Valley Windows, and today we'll be looking at the SL160 from Solarlux. The SL160 from Solarlux is a lift and slide system. It can be a 2-panel system or a 3-track system. It has a maximum panel width of 3.2 meters wide and 3.5 meters tall. Weights of 400 kilos means this system can go wider and taller than most other systems on the market. The lift and slide system is a highly engineered system which allows the system to move effortlessly with one finger. How it does that is it takes all the weight from the seals off of the system by jacking it up, so it moves effortlessly, but then seals nicely when you close it down onto the track. The SL160 comes in a range of 32 standard colours, but also can come in a colour of your choosing and also can be in a dual colour finish. Track options are available flush or with a seal. The SL160 is perfect for people looking for large expanses of glass that are able to move effortlessly.